Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn Exponents and Powers, Chapter 13, Exercise 13.1 for Class 7, NCERT. First question, find the value of 2 power 6. See, this is an exponent form, 2 power 6. 2 is the base and 6 is the power. This means what? We need to take product of 2 6 times. That's all. See here. We need to repeat the base in the product 6 times. So 2 into 2 into again 6 twos. 6 times we need to multiply these things. So 2 into 2 into these things. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. 32 twos are 64 is the answer. Here same thing. 9 is the base. 3 is the exponent. 9 raised to the power 3. How to do this? We need to take the product of 9 3 times. 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 into 9 is 81 and 81 into 9 is 729 is the answer. Here 11 is the base, 2 is the power. 11 to the power 2. So 11 into 2 times we need to repeat the base. Always repeat the base according to the power given. Okay. So 11 into 11 2 times. This is the command. Think like that. This is the command. So we need to repeat as much as the number given in the power. 11 into 11 is 121. Now 5 power 4. What to do? 5 is the base here. So 4 is the exponent or power. So 4 times we need to repeat 5 in the product. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. That's all. This is the answer. Second question. Express the following in exponential form. It is easy. How many times it is repeating? 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 4 times. So anyway 6 is the base. Number of times it's repeating is 4. So that is the power. 6 power 4. Here t into t. So how many times? T square. That's all. How many times b is repeating in the product? 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is b power 4. Here 5 and 7 is there. So how many times 5 is repeating here? 5 into 5, 2 times. 5 square into how many times 7 is repeating? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 7 power 3. See, express the following in exponential form. So that we are giving it in this exponential form. 2 into 2. So how many times? 2 times. 2 power 2 into a. 2 times a. A power 2. Here 1, 2, 3. This is a cube. A power 3 into how many times c present? 1, 2, 3, 4 times c present into d. Only one time d, so just give d. You can write like this also. A cube c power 4 d. Third question. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. See, if you see big numbers like this, you just do prime factorization. That's all. 5, 1, 2. So 2 is the prime number, least prime number that can divide this, right? So how many times? 2 here, 2 times. 5 times and 6 times. Again 2. 1 time, 2 time, 8 time. 2, 6, 4. Again 2 can divide this. 3 times, 2 times. 2 can divide this. 1 time, 6 time. 2, 8 times. 2 can divide this. 4 times. 2, 2. So how many 2's present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 power 9. So 512 can be written in the exponential notation as 2 power 9. That's all. Second subdivision. Same thing. 343. Which prime number can divide 343? We need to check. So 7 can divide, right? So how many times 7? 4 times here and 9 times. 63 will come. So 9 times. Again 7 can divide this. So 7 times. Right? How many 7's present here? 7 cube. Third subdivision 729. For this also take prime factorization. 729. So 3 can divide this, right? 3. 2 times, 4 times and 3. Again 3 can divide this. 3. 8 times, 1 time. Again 3 can divide this. 2 times, 7 times. 3 can divide this. This is 9. Again 3. It is 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 power 6 is the exponential notation for 729. Now fourth subdivision, 3125. Let us do this. 3125. So by looking itself we can easily say 5 can divide this number. So 5 is the least prime factor for this. 6 times, 2 times, 5 times. Again 5. 1 time, 2 time, 5 time. Again 5 can divide this. 2 time, 5 time. 5. How many 5s in 25? 5 5s. So how many 5s in a 5? Only 1 5. How many 5s present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times it is repeating in the product. Means 5 is the base, power 5. 5 times it is repeating. So 5 power 5 is the exponential notation for this number. Fourth question. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. First subdivision, 4 cube or 3 power 4. Which is greater? We are going to find it. 4 cube is, base is the 4. Power is 3. So 3 times we need to repeat 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 fours are 64. Again 3 power 4. So how many times we need to repeat 3? 4 times. 3 is the base. Power is the 4. So number of times we need to repeat is 4. Number of times we need to repeat the number 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. So which is bigger? This number is the bigger number, right? So 3 power 4 is greater than 4 cube, or 4 cube is less than 3 power 4. So this is the greater number. Second subdivision, 5 cube or 3 power 5, which is greater? 5 cube means what? 5 into 5 into 5. So 3 power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times we need to repeat 3. This gives us 125. The value of this product is 243. Which is greater? Obviously this is greater. So this is the greater number here. 3 power 5 is the greater exponent than 5 cube. That means 3 power 5 is greater than 5 cube. Third subdivision, 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. 2 power 8. 8 times we need to multiply 2. If you multiply 8 times 2 into 2 into 2 like that, we will come up with 256. 8 square gives us 64. So which is greater? 256 is greater. This is greater. So 2 power 8 is the greater number here. Greater exponent here. Fourth subdivision, 100 square or 2 power 100. See, 100 square means 100 into 100, right? 100 into 100. This gives us 10,000. So what is 2 power 100? 2 power 100 means we can write this as 2 power 50 the whole square, right? By the formula. 2 power, if, see, a power m the whole power n. It is the exponent formula. A power m into n, power of power. If you see power of power, just multiply the number. That's all. 50 into 2 gives us 100 only. So we can write it like this. Now, this can be written as 2 power. This 50 can be written as 25 power 2 the whole power 2, right? See, I am writing this 50 as 25 into 2. The whole power this 2. Now, this 25 can be written as, how to return this 25? 2 power 5 the whole power 5. So, square of square. It will go like this, correct? Now what is 2 power 5? 2 power 5 is 32. 32 power 5. This is 32 power 5. 2 into 2 is 4. So what we are going to do is 32 power 5 we are going to repeat 4 times according to this power. 32 power 5, 32 power 5 into 32 power 5. This 132 power 5 alone gives us the value, huge value, greater than this 10,000. So obviously this number is greater than, that means 2 power 100 is greater than 100 square. Now 2 power 10 or 10 square. So 10 square is easy. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. This is the number. How to find 2 power 10? 2 power 10 is equal to 2 power 5 the whole square. We can write like this, right? This is nothing but 32. 32 square. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 32 square. What is 32 square? 32 into 32. This gives us 1024. So obviously this is the greater number. So this exponent 2 power 10 is greater than 10 power 2. That's all. Fifth question. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Just we need to find the prime factors for this number like what we have done before. We need to use the least prime number. So 2 is the prime number that can divide this number. How many times here? 3 times, 2 times and 4 times. Again 2 can divide 1 time, 6 times, 2 times. Again 2 can divide. So 8, 1. This 81 is divided by 3, can be divided by 3. 3 can divide 27 times. 3 can divide 27 9 times. Again 3 can divide this 9 as 3 times. That's all. Right? How many 2's? 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 power 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 power 4. 4 times it's repeating. Therefore, the answer here is 2 cube into 3 power 4. Now 405. How to find 405? 405. 4 plus 5 gives you 9. So 3 can divide this, right? So 3 means 1, 3 times, 5 times. Again 3 can divide this 4 times, 5 times. 3 can divide this 1 time, 5 time. Again 3 can divide this 5 time. 5 can divide this 5 1 time. So what is the value of this 405 in exponents form? Just count the number of times 3 is repeating here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 power 4 into number of time 5 is repeating here is only once. So 3 power 4 into 5. That's all. Third subdivision 540. How to do this 540? Just prime factorization by 2. 2 can divide this, no? 2 times and 7 times 0. Again 2 can divide this 1, 3, 5. 3 can divide this 2. How many times 3 here? 4 times, 5 times. Again 3 can divide this 1, 5. 3 can divide this 15, 5 times. So 5, 1. So how many 2's present? 2 square, 2 times. So 2 power 2 into how many 3's? 1, 2, 3. 3 power 3. 5 only one time into 5. That's all. See, 2 square, 3 cube into 5. Now 3600. How to do this? 2 can divide this, right? 2. 1 time 8, 0, 0. Again 2 can divide this 9, 0, 0. 2 can divide this 4 time 5, 0. 2 times, 2 times, 5 times. 3 can divide this, right? 7 times, 5 times. 3 can divide this 2 times, 5 times. So 5 can divide this 5 times. That's all. After this again 5 can divide 1 time. How many 2's present here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4 into how many 3's present? 1, 2. 3 square. How many 5's present? 1, 2. 5 power 2. This is the exponential form for this 3600. 2 power 4, 3 square, 5 square. That's all. See, this number can be written as the product of these prime factors, right? Otherwise, I can show you like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. We can write, if you multiply all these numbers, you will get 3600. So instead of writing like this, we are giving these numbers in the exponential form. Number of times it's repeating. How many times 2 is repeating? 4 times. So 2 power 4 into 3 power 2 into 5 power 2. Sixth question, simplify. First subdivision, 2 into 10 cube. Simplify means just to find the value. That's all. 10 cube means what? 10 into 10 into 10. This gives us 1000. So 2 into 1000 is 2000. This is the value of this question. 2 into 10 cube. Now 7 square into 2 square. 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. 7 into 7 is 49 into 4. 196. This is the value. 2 cube into 5. So 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. This gives us 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 40 is the value. Now this one, 3 into how many times 4? 4 times. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. The value of this is 768. If you multiply this, this will come. 0 into 10 square. Anything with a 0 gives us 0 only. Now 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is 25 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This gives us 675. Now 2 power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 into 9. This gives us 144. Now 3 into 3. Again 10 power 4 means you can directly write 1 followed by 4 zeros. Otherwise you can multiply it like this. 3 3s are 9 into 1 2 3 4. This gives us 90,000. Simplify. Now exponents with the negative numbers as a base. So how to do this? See, negative number we have just seen. Negative number power odd means answer must be in negative. Negative number power even number comes means even power comes means it is always positive. Just to have it in mind. Here it is the negative number. Power is odd, correct? So answer must be in negative only. I'll show you how it will come. Into minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16, correct? Positive 16 into minus 4. Positive into negative gives us negative only. Negative 64. 16 into 4 is 64. So negative 64. Here minus 3 into negative number power odd number. So negative number power odd number means here also this thing will come as negative only. Let's see this. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, right? 3 times. So minus 3 into this will give us minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 into minus 2. This is minus 3 into minus 8. Minus 3 into minus 8 is plus 24. Negative into negative is positive. So plus 24. Now this one. Negative number power even number means positive answer. Here also negative number power even number means positive answer only. Minus 5 into minus 5. 2 times repeating. 3 3s are 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 is positive 9. Minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 25. So 9 into 25 gives us 225. Negative number, odd power. Negative number, odd power. So both will come as negative answers, but together it will give you positive answer. Let's see how. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10, right? So this is minus 8. The value is minus 8 into minus 1000. Minus into minus becomes positive. So answer is 8000. Positive 8000 is the answer. Eighth question, compare the following numbers. So how we are going to compare it? 2.7 into 10 power 12. So 2.7 into 10 power 12. 1.5. We are going to compare this number with this number. 1.5 into 10 power 8. Just give your concentration on these two numbers. 2.7 is greater than 1.5. So in the number part it is greater. Similarly, in the exponential thing, 10 power 12 is obviously greater than 10 power 8. So this is also greater. This 2.7 into 10 power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 power 8. Now this one, 4 into 10 power 14. We are going to compare this with 3 into 10 power 17. How to compare this? 4 is greater than 3. But here 10 power 14 is there, 10 power 17. We don't know how to compare. This is less than this one. So how to compare this? We will see easily this one. 4 into 10 power 14. We are going to compare this with 3 into 10 power. This 17 can be written as 14 plus 3. Can we write like this? By using exponential formula, 10 power 17 can be written as 10 power 14 plus 3, right? So this is 10 power 14 into 10 power 3, right? 10 power 3. So 4 into 10 power 14. We are going to compare this with 3 into 10 cube. Otherwise 10 cube. Ulta also we can write 10 power 14. 10 cube into 10 power 14. Now combine these two. What will come? 4 into 10 power 14. We are going to combine. 3 into 10 cube is nothing but 3 into 10 cube value is 1000. 3 times 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. So this is 3000. 3000 into 10 power 14. Now compare. Exponents are equal. So it is exponent side, it is equal. Now look into the integer value. What is the integer value? 4 is obviously less than 3000. So this exponent is less than this value. This value is nothing but 3 into 10 power 17. So this 4 into 10 power 14 is less than 3 into 10 power 17. I'll see you in my next video, Exponents and Powers, exercise number 13.2. Thank you.